Hi guys, welcome to IT networking. And when you updating and come to Windows update error, so how to fix? I giving you all one by one step. First click to start button and then click to setting. Then guys, in system, slow down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, and run. This is actually features by Microsoft Windows, so you can run. So fix your issues and some other services will restart automatically. So please wait few minutes. Checking pending restart. This is falsely diagnostic. So please wait few time. Again checking pending restart. So like this. So checking for Windows update issue detected. Okay. Then close. Okay. Then go to this PC file manager. Click to this PC. Go to C drive. Then Windows. Then software distributions, this is, and double click. Okay, so when you download any update, so go to download, and when you download update and install, so that file is in this folder, so select all and then delete and then continue. Okay, third solutions. Then guys, Windows R services.msc, then click and press W, Windows update, and select Windows restart. This is actually Windows update services. Okay, and you can manual, so please select automatically and then apply and OK, and then close. Then guys, fifth solutions to registry. Again Windows R REGEDIT, and then click to yes. This is for administrator. Okay, so local machine, software, policy, Microsoft, Windows update. Because Windows update can't show because that's C drive folder delete, that's why it's removed from here. It's okay. Next solutions. Then guys, click to start button, type CMD, right click to run as administrator, then yes. So guys, type CHKDSK space slash F space slash R, then enter. Now CHKDSK can't run because the value of the another phrase, so would you like to press S for Y for yes, and then enter. Then guys, you restart your system, and one more step are there, so continue and then you restart. Okay, yeah, and then check it Okay, bye bye, take care. Then guys, click to start button and type CMD and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you in link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.